Hey guys, man, check this out. Black trash bag on a roll around cart. I wonder what this might be. Hey, let's investigate. No, but seriously guys, this is an old small block Chevy engine. It's been freshly rebuilt, all right, like kind of like the Craigslist deal would say, only this one's got a twist. It was freshly rebuilt circa 1987, and it's been stored, kept in bags its whole life, and it was kind of built with the premise of putting it into this 35 Chevy. It just kind of never happened, and hey, we went and my dad helped me pull it out of his garage, or he got it out of the garage, and I helped him help me load it onto a trailer to get it over here. And I've got my nice painted up engine stand, got the Horror Fright engine hoist to pick it up. So that's what we're going to do next, is we're going to get this thing put on an engine stand. All right, guys, so it is a couple of evenings later, but last clip for you guys. We got the motor on this stand sitting here, and I haven't taken the bag off of it. It's been built since 1987 and sprayed down with a spray called Ironclad, bag put over it, on an engine stand for probably 20 years, stuck underneath a bench for the last 5 or 6. So we're going to pull the bag off and see what we got. Ooh, that's kind of scary. All right. Got the light out. Shining it back in here for you guys. Most of the pistons, I mean, if the piston's up in the cylinder, it's the crankshaft's in the way where you can't see inside of it. So things don't look bad though. Looks like I see dirt, but I don't really see what I was afraid of. I was afraid it would have little rust pits on it from sitting for so long. It's got a couple of semi-questionable looking areas, but I mean, yeah, look at it. It's pretty nice little engine. Got a 1 there. Looks like everything is stamped up proper, so we could take it apart and look at it and see what it looks like. I don't think it's a good idea just to kind of flush it out and try to start it. I think even turning the crankshaft might force some of that dirt into the bores or into the pistons. So it does have the heads on it. It is a long block, so I'm going to pull the heads off of it and then probably pull the pistons out. Everything seems to be numbered up good, so we can set it up and put it back exactly the way it was assembled the first time. All of it's been balanced together. There's a few things like this main cap I'll take and I'll chamfer that a little bit to help oil flow. And I'll do the same thing on the oil pump for the engine. Truthfully, I don't even have a complete gasket set to finish assembling it. I wanted to wait and see what it looked like before I did anything else because I just didn't know. once we get in here tight and look at this, and hey, we've got a winner. There is a little rust freckling. I don't know how well stuff will show up in the camera. Maybe if I don't shine the light on it so bright, you might get an idea. Little bit on this cylinder. Not bad. So, cool. Alright, so these heads, they were freshly built. So this head's nice and clean. The other one has a little rust on one end of it, but I don't think it was more than just moving it around with some sweaty hands. Oh man, look at that. That's probably 40-year-old duct tape. That stuff probably causes cancer in California. We're going to have to watch out for that. I wonder what these ports look like. So, yeah, those are tiny. That ought to make good low-end power. Good throttle response, right? Yeah. So, small valves. A 434 casting. I'm going to look it up on the internet. I believe this is a 76cc chamber. So, the motor might be lucky to get 9-to-1 with these heads on it. We'll probably stay fairly mild with the camshaft. Just something with a little rumble, and clean these up, get the duct tape residue off. Oh my. All right. So I just got off the phone, and the dad wants to just go ahead and build it. So not tear it down. Said it will probably be fine, and I think he's right. The more I look at it, may get some compressed air in here, blow around a little bit, clean it out a few more dozen times. I think all the cylinders are going to clean up with nothing. I mean, they're nice. Heads pulled off. I took a little WD-40 towel, wiped inside. I don't think, after looking at this, there's probably not any reason to tear this apart. This engine is super clean. We're going to take and wipe everything out. I've been cleaning inside this lifter gallery and trying to rake everything around, and it's all basically stuck. It just wipes right off with WD-40. So, hey, we're not going to worry about this dude.
Are you out here?
Yeah.
And I just told them that I needed to leave. They weren't doing anything. Getting ready for meetings and stuff anyway.
Yeah. I wiped that side out. That side's got the...
This is the side that was open. Gosh, those pistons don't even have any carbon on them.
I know it. It's clean. It's
no ring.
Running on LPG.
There's no ring up there either.
No, they're nice.
You could still be boarding 60 more.
Right. It's a good one. I was gonna Google the casting numbers on the heads and see what they are when they were made and all that. Oh, this is like...
Should be numbers stamped over here on this one.
Numbers.
Right there.
Yeah, on the pad.
That's a...
Yeah, you search that and figure out exactly, right?
Come out of Jack Featherston's 67 truck.
Okay.
So...
Yeah, we know what everybody's doing to them.
What's that?
Those trucks.
Yeah. Putting whatever it takes them, just junking them.
Nobody wants one of them?
Well, no, nobody's building them or restoring them.
Right. Yeah,
back to numbers matching.
That's what I'm saying. They're all putting LS's and
yeah,
whatnot in them.
All the plugs are in there.
Yeah. Yeah, it looked like...
Yeah, you just never know.
Oh, yeah. Go and check it out. Looks like everything's wiping out of all the holes.
Yeah.
I didn't look at the...
It's set for a long time.
It has. It's amazing how clean she looks when you get down in there.
I don't know which cam to buy for it.
I looked at a 284 duration comp cam.
Oh, really? I was thinking about getting a 3030 Corvette cam for it. Should be
Do it.
solid lifter to make lots of noise.
Get it solid. Yeah, do it.
That is a pain in the ass, let me tell you.
All right. Well, all right, guys. What a blessing to be able to take something that's been bagged up since I graduated from high school and it's still in good shape. I just need to clean it out a little bit and order some parts. So I really appreciate all the new subscribers to my channel. Makes me want to get out here and film more content. We're going to be getting on the body work on the 35 while we're waiting on parts. Got a couple of different projects going on. So if you like my videos, give them a thumbs up. Consider hitting the subscribe button. And we'll catch you guys on the next video.